My camera just keeps shutting off. But yeah, I was gonna find a place to stay and then come back in the morning and do the tour. I didn't know that I could actually be up here while the Hoover Dam was closed, so this worked out for me. This is where it says Nevada time in that building. And here's the dam. And then the other building on the other side says Arizona time. So it shows how it splits from Arizona to Nevada. All in all, I'm really glad I came here. The other option for Nevada, of course, was Las Vegas. So, but I've been there a bunch of times. Alright, next place is California, and I think I'm going to Glacier or something, but I won't be there until tomorrow, so I will see you then.